In this video, we're going to be having a look at Veracity right now, currently sitting at a very important and crucial support region. And the question is are we going to see a massive rebound, massive bounce? Are the bulls going to show up, or will VRA slip down below? We're also going to be having a look at the stochastic RSI and the RSI. But before that, let's dive into more coin market cap real quick. Market cap of $65 million. Now, you might be asking yourself, how is VRA only at $65 million market cap? Now, for those of you guys who are complaining, oh, I should have bought VRA when it was under 100 million, when it went to 120. Well, this is your chance, guys. A lot of people are complaining that every time a coin explodes, they say, oh, I should have gone earlier. And this is exactly what is happening. Now, let's have a look at time market cap real quick. We can see that the all-time market cap for VRA was 373 million. Now, of course, the community wasn't as strong back then. The community is stronger than ever today. 382,000 people on the watch list, ranked 348. So this is an easy, in my opinion, altcoin gem that could 100x. Now, I haven't done an update on VR in a while, but guys, 65 million is literally a steal. With the volume sitting at $18 million, so we got 28-30% almost of the market cap being traded. Is fantastic. And VRA is currently traded at 006325. So let's take out the calculator real quick and put $1,000. Assuming you put $1,000 into VRA, you're trying to buy the dip, and you divide that by 0.006325. That would give you 158,000 VRA. Now, assuming Veracity goes to 70 cents, something very realistic. I'm not saying a dollar. I think a dollar could happen, but we're looking at a market cap of 10 billion if it does go to a dollar. But let's just say 75 cents. You would do that times 75 cents. You would literally be making $118,000 from Veracity going to 75 cents by investing only $1,000. Now imagine you invest $1,000 at an average of 0.006325 for the next 3 months, right? You would literally be making 355,731. This is how much you would be making essentially if you were to invest at the average of that, assuming VRA goes to 75 cents. Now, we are in a bear market right now. I'm not gonna lie, interest rates are still going up, things are still going up, inflation is high. Feds, they're attacking crypto, the SEC is attacking crypto. So there's a lot of things and a lot of negative things happening right now. So I'm not saying right now we're completely out of the woods, but I do want to have a look at VRA for what is the potential next big move is. We're going to be having a look at a price prediction on another video, but let's have a look at VRA starting off with a daily time frame. So number one, we could have a look at the stochastic RSI and the regular RSI. We can see right here that every time we are at the 30 region on the RSI, we are oversold. And what happens when we're oversold? We usually have a big move to the upside. So we were oversold right here. Boom, we flew. And guess what happened to the stochastic RSI? We were oversold right here. Boom, we flew. What happened again right here? We came up, consolidated. This was the consolidation right here. Came back up, exploded. And now VRA, guess what? We're sitting under 20 on the RSI and nearing 30 on the RSI. And guess what's happening? We are about to have a massive big move for Veracity, because guess what happened? First of all, the trend is still your friend. We're still in an uptrend. There's no question about that. And number two, we can see the last time we were below 20 on the stochastic RSI was actually December 31st. And we were this low. Veracity was trading at 0024. Now we're trending at 0060. So the sellers are getting weaker. I'm not gonna lie. The sellers, I mean, these signs right here is just showing that bulls are ready to make a big move. And the question is Bitcoin gonna consolidate, or is Bitcoin gonna dump? Because there's two factor scenarios right here. If we see Bitcoin dumping, we're most likely gonna see altcoins dump, such as VRA. But if we see Bitcoin pump, then we could see Veracity making a nice big move to the top right here, which would lead to a massive 87% pump. Now, of course, that would depend on Bitcoin once again. Now, the stochastic RSI on Bitcoin is currently oversold, and we know what happened when we were oversold right here. We exploded. We know what happened when we were oversold right here. We exploded. And I mean, that's about it. We do have a nice little bearish bullish divergence happening right now. We got the RSI decreasing, we got the chart increasing, so things are looking very good. Let's have a look and pull up the EMA ribbons real quick to see what's happening. So we can see right here, guys, EMA ribbons are very important on, of course, the daily time frame. Now, ever since we broke out of the EMA ribbon right here, this EMA ribbon essentially supported us as a nice support region. And then ever since we came back down, it's been kind of tough to essentially climb back up. So we broke down right here approximately 28th of February, and then we've just been, either going sideways or consolidating towards the downside ever since that. Now, we know when we are below it, it's usually bad. I mean, right here we broke, of course, on Saturday, April 9, 2022, and ever since we've just been in a crazy downtrend. So that's that on the daily time frame. Let's have a look on some key support resistance, because I know that's very important. We can see right here that Veracity is sitting at a very, very crucial support region. So we had one hit right here, we had two hit right here, three hit right here, and then four hit right here. So the bulls are defending this region right here, sitting at 0.00543,163. They're defending it very, very, very well. I'm not gonna lie. And the main and big question is if we slip below this area right here, like I said in the beginning of the video, that's obviously going to be bad news bears for Verasity, because if we slip below, we're most likely going to come back down and retest at least this level right here or this level right here, which is sitting at 0.0036, and that would be very, very bad. That would be decrease of 48%, and of course from the all-time high in 2023, that would be a 72% dump essentially. Now a lot of people are saying, oh, VRA is dumping, I can't believe it, why did you tell me to buy? First of all, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. You guys need to do your own research. Second of all, I keep on buying VRA. It doesn't matter if it's here, doesn't matter if it's here, it doesn't matter if it's here. I will keep buying Verasity. That's really all that matters. And in fact, I just bought more VRA right here yesterday. So and look what happened. We pumped. My girlfriend bought more VRA. Guess what happened? We're pumping. Now am I saying we're gonna pump straight? No, but this is a dip. Instead of you guys buying pumps right here, because I know a lot of people will essentially FOMO into a coin, buy the dips. Now, once again, this is not financial advice, but it's better to buy essentially the dip than it is to buy it when it's going up. You don't want to buy it when things aren't going up ever. So that being said, let's have a look on the 4-hour time frame. So we can see right here that on the 4-hour time frame, VRA is clearly in a downtrend. Now, the second Verasity breaks this downtrend, we're most likely gonna fly away. Now, of course, the bears are defending this downtrend very, very well. You can see we have multiple hits on this downtrend, and we know a resistance usually gets weaker the more it gets hit. So this is what's happening right now. Now, the reason why VRA is pumping specifically today is because Bitcoin is pumping, but assuming Bitcoin pumps a little bit more, then I wouldn't be surprised if we have a massive pump on VRA. Now, of course, volume is going to have to play a big factor into this. We could see that volume is just consolidating, nothing too crazy. It's staying the same, it's staying put. So I would like to see a breakout with a lot of volume happening, because if we do see that happening, then that's obviously going to be very, very good for VRA, and it won't be a fake pump. If we see a crazy pump and the volume is decreasing, that's going to be a fake out, and it just wouldn't be a good opportunity to essentially buy the FOMO essentially. So that's my video, guys, on Verasity overall. And if you guys like this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, and I will see you guys in my next video tomorrow.